Okay. All right. Love you. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison if you are new here, and welcome to another episode of Self-Care Sundays with Liz. Just, are you still listening?
No.
Before we jump into today's video, make sure that you are subscribed by hitting that big red subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more from me. The journal that I am talking about today, as well as a few other options, will be listed in the drop down box below for you to check out. I purchased mine on Amazon, and the thing that I have wanted to incorporate into my daily routine is to write in a journal. Now, I'm someone who really likes to write, but I definitely don't do it as often as I should or would like to, which brings me to my main point of today's video, which is a journal that is something I can definitely stick to and something that I love. This is called the 5-minute journal. The concept is very simple. It has a morning section and a night section. It has a few prompts to guide you through a quick journal for the beginning of your day and the end of your day. This is something that just takes a few minutes at the beginning of your day or in your morning routine that will really set up your day on a positive note. My favorite part of the whole journal is the section where it says, I'm grateful for, and something about this just sets the tone for your whole day, being in that mindset of gratitude. I also love the part where it talks about your daily affirmations. Now, this is something where I personally like to either go to Pinterest or just Google and search daily affirmations for, and then kind of whatever I'm going through in my life right now. I'm going through big changes right now, so I like to look up daily affirmations for growth and kind of discovering who I am. Because I love the morning side of the journal, I absolutely adore the nighttime section. It's a time where you can really reflect on your day. One tip that I have for you guys is to include as many details in this journal as you can, so that when you go back and reflect on your days in the past, you have as many details and can trigger those memories of amazing things that happened that day, as mundane as they may seem. So this is the 5-minute journal. I absolutely love the look of this. It's so chic. It looks so good on a bookshelf. But I've also had what's called the 6-minute diary. 6-minute diary has the same concept, but it just looks a little bit different, has a little bit of a different prompt. I personally love both versions. I will say that I used to have the 6-minute diary, and something that I did like about that one more is an extra section that states your good deed for the day. I really like that, where you can think about anything where you were helpful or maybe served another person and how that really stood out to you and how you can incorporate more good deeds into your daily life. If you are looking to add journaling into your daily routine, I would 100% recommend this to you. It's such a simple and quick process. But like I said, it really starts your day on the right tone, and then I love the evaluation at night of your day. As I mentioned before, I am going through a lot of big changes in my life, and I am kind of starting this self-care journey of taking care of myself mentally, emotionally, and physically. And this is something that will be awesome to look back on and read old daily entries and look through how far I've come on this little self-discovery journey. As always, the link for this and the 6-minute diary will be linked in the description box below for you to check out. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next week.